we are to do here?
This is a nectarine tree. We treat nectarines, peaches, and plums the same way. We prune them to an open-centered system, and this is the way we open up the center.
Oh boy.
You see, this is trying to be a pear or an apple tree. It has a strong central leader here. This is what we do with that.
Oh man, we're just gonna take it out like that?
Kind of like that. I'm going to be gentle.
Okay.
Because I don't want to injure any of these other scaffold limbs.
Ah.
We used to say these trees back in the old days cost about $2, and they say you take out about $1.80 and leave about a dime's worth, and you're kind of going in the right direction. And so that's what we're doing. Is it looking a little more open?
Oh yeah, there's your dime's worth.
It's a little low here, and we've got 3 scaffold limbs, which is really fine, really all you need. And you know, I took off a lot of fruit. On a young tree like this, it's much more important to develop the tree, the shape of the tree, than it is to get fruit off of it. You'll have plenty of time to get fruit later on if you take care of it.
Thanks for watching. We have other quick tips. Just subscribe below.